Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In today's lesson we want to look at text enhancement. We have looked in a previous video, I've shown you about the font grouping. We're going to go back and we're going to look a little bit more at superscript and subscript, and also how we can change the different cases of our sentences. And then we're also going to look at text effects as well. And then we will also go and look at how we can insert word art to make a heading, and the difference between having an established word that we use text effects on, and then also establishing what it will look like when we add word art. Right, let's jump in. Right, so what we want to look at is our superscript and subscript. So this is the subscript icon and the superscript. If you go to the font grouping and you click on the More button, you will also have superscript and subscript that you can tick. We're also going to look at small caps and all caps. So let's jump in. So if I, for example, want to write a fraction 3/4, I'll click on the 3. I can go and click over here superscript, and if I click on the 4, I can do subscript, or I can click on my More button and I can choose from these blocks over here, click subscript, click OK. If I go to my paragraph, the first paragraph, and I highlight that, and I go to my font grouping, again it's a question that likes to be asked. We change everything to small caps, and you can see what it would look like in your preview. They could ask you to make everything all caps. They might ask you to take a word and strike through, or a double strike through. Okay, so those are some things that you can do. And if we highlight this paragraph, and in our font grouping we have this icon over here, or this button over here, change the case, and you can change it to sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. So there are different things that you can do. Lowercase, sentence case, capitalize each word. So there are various things that you can do within your font grouping. Okay, I'm going to take the strike through off. The other thing that I want to show you is how we can, with text effects, you've got to change the outline, put a shadow in, reflection, you can have a glow, etc. So there's various things that you can do, and there are preset that you can use as well. So if I use that, and I could change the outline, and I could change reflection, etc. So there are various things that you can do. Okay, so that's ways in which you can enhance a heading, or a paragraph heading, or a word, or a sentence. And then the other thing you can do is that you can also go and insert word art. So click on the insert tab, go to your text grouping, go to word art, and again you can choose, and then your shape format pops up. Type your text, heading 1. You can choose what you want it to look like, and again you can change what the full must look like, etc. The outline, and then there's text effects as well that come in, and you can change fill the whole shape, so the text box with the wording. So this over here changes the text, so it's the word art styles, and this changes the shape and the outline and the effects that you can use as well. Okay, so there's various things that you can do. So go play around with these buttons, with these tools, and if you click on the more button, it will bring up your format shape on the right, and the more button over here will give you more options as well, which is similar to what we've got over here. Alright, so pause the video, go practice, watch the video again, and we'll see you next time.